How to get Peacock on Spectrum. I'm going to tell you how to get Peacock on Spectrum. If you have Spectrum TV, you might already be eligible for Peacock Premium at no extra cost. First, make sure you're subscribed to a qualifying Spectrum plan, like TV Select or one of the upgraded Select packages. These come with free Peacock Premium, which gives you access to tons of movies, shows, and live sports with ads. Now here's how to activate it. Go to spectrum.com and sign in with your Spectrum account. From there, follow the prompts to link your Peacock account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it during the process. Once you've linked your accounts, you're all set. Just download the Peacock app on your smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, phone, or any device that supports it. Open the app, sign in with your Peacock account, and you'll automatically have premium access through Spectrum. And if you were already paying for Peacock separately, don't worry. Once you link it with Spectrum, your old subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing cycle.